Hello, my angels. I'm just keeping this remote here. Hello, my angels. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And yes, I'm doing absolutely great. Thank you so much for asking. So, can I continue in Hindi or English? Just let me know, okay? Yes, so today, as you can see, I have dressed up nicely for a festive season. So, as you know, festives are lined up, yes, and this is something which I have created for the upcoming festivals. Like Durga Puja has just gone last week, so this is for the coming Karwachaut. I'm sure that many of us celebrate that. So this attire, this what you say, this GRWM will make it more beautiful. It's very simple, and any of us can do it. Just follow my video until end, and if you really like it, please go ahead and click on the like button, because it motivates me. So I am sure that you will definitely motivate me. And since I have not done much on the eye area, I've kept it blue and pink combination because my sari is full red and the blouse is also red. So I thought of keeping it little different. So yes, I hope you like this look. Just let me know on the comments how is this look. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel without wasting much of your time. Let's get into the channel. And also one thing, even if there are pandemics around, we are celebrating all the festivals like before with full of fun and glory. We have to be thankful to Lord that yes, we are safe and we are happy, right? So let's get into the video with a note. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Hey guys. So, as you all know, before doing any sort of makeup, you have to make sure that your skin is clean, toned, and moisturized so that your base, that is your skin, leaves a freshness to your makeup. So, I've done that. Now, I'm applying primer to my skin all over because I know I have open pore issues and I have freckle issues and wrinkles issues as I'm growing. I'm growing age wise. Yeah, obviously we all grow. So as you can see, my gray hairs are also popped up. Please excuse me for that. I couldn't do my dye because I actually was very tied up with something. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time and applying the primer all over my face and just massaging it, or you can say just dapping it inside the skin. Yeah, giving relaxation to my eyes, because eyes is something which looks absolutely tired on my face nowadays. Recently I've observed that maybe I'm not getting proper sleep. Now I'm hydrating my lips with a Vaseline, normal Vaseline. I just keep it there for some time unless and until I apply my lipstick so that it becomes a little hydrated. And what are your plans for Karwachaut? Please let me know in the comments. It's fun to read your comments. Yeah, now as friends, now here I'm taking foundation matching to my skin shade, and this is the style which I love to apply foundation. This dot 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 dot, which actually makes the foundation this very easy for your skin to absorb. And what I do is I just take a beauty blender, I make it wet, and I just squeeze it off all the water, and I do tap 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 motion, and that's how all the foundation on my face is distributed evenly. I know it takes lots of patience. I'm also still learning. Nothing, I'm not a pro. Still, yeah, lots of things I have learned through makeup. So still the dapping procedure is on. As you can see, you know what, the base, if you do it properly, Okay, if you do your base properly, you feel that the makeup looks more natural. So that's the key point. And one more thing I would like to say, that in case if you feel the blemishes of your skin are being seen, you can take a second coat of foundation again, but I'm not taking, I just want to keep it more of natural, not like I've applied a lot of things on my face. I generally do my makeup this way. So once I'm done, I will proceed to my concealer. Now girls, this is how I apply my concealer. I make a V under my eye, little on my nose, on my forehead, chin area, on my cupid's side of the cheek, and I know I look like Adivasi though, but that's alright. After the blending work is done, you will find me like a normal person. Okay, now I'm gonna just make my beauty blender damp, squeeze it off, and just dab on the area where I've applied. Not to drag it throughout your face, because this is a concealer. This will highlight, or this will bring out the feature on your face and conceal your blemishes, your dark spots. So as you can see, I have a lot of dark circle, not much though, because I'm doing some treatment on my eye. I will be sharing it very soon with you guys. It's a DIY. And you know what, now it feels like little sunken because I have not been sleeping for few days regularly at a stretch. So you can see my eyes are looking a little tired, but never mind, I'll be using little Mr. Concealer to conceal it. And now a setting powder to put everything together. Setting powder does this mainly is that it just presses all the thing which you have applied on your skin, so that it doesn't crack and it doesn't look ugly. So now once you see you have played with the setting powder, you have to use, here I am using a darkish brown of my palette and filling up my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm just trying to borderline it and then fill in the inner part of your brow, making sure the start of the eyebrows are not that dark. So this is how I do my eyebrows, using a spoolie to just smudge it. I think it's still light. Let me do other rest of the makeup, and in case if I need it, I'll redo my eyebrow touch. Alright, so girls, yeah, now I think, yeah, girls, honestly I am not happy with the camera setting today, because first of all, I don't know how it has to be set when you're doing any makeup. I've got a ring light and all that, but I'm just trying to learn, girls. I'm trying to figure out how people set their camera stand and all that. In case if you can help me, that is of a great help. Now I'm using the same eyebrow powder, the darkish brown in the palette, and I'm just contouring the sides of my cheeks, the jawline area, and the forehead area, and the bridge of the nose. I've just used minimal powder so that it blends down well. And now I've used a different brush, because I think this is very smooth, this brush is very smooth to run your contour powder into your skin. And see, the movement which I'm doing is on my forehead, I'm giving it upward, towards my hairline, so that it blends in my hairline and it doesn't look fake. And the cheek, I'm just making it on upward direction, and the jawline will be towards neck, so that it darkens that area and it gives you a thin look. Here I'm applying a beautiful neon pink on my upper eyelid. Just pressing it, nothing much. Just press the color and cover your upper eyelid. Same I'm doing with the other eyes too. Once I get this pinkish nice shade, there was some issue with the lighting, so you might not be able to capture it correctly. I'm applying the same brush in the under, bottom eyelid. Taking a shimmery pink, purplish pink, and just pressing it in the center of my eye. Yeah. It took me a little extra time. This is a navy blue, shimmery navy blue from the Sephora kit. I'm applying this on the end of the eye, and with a fluffy brush, I'll be bringing the color inside so that my pink and blue looks blended. Girls, I think one of the video got deleted after this. That is, I have already applied a white eyebrow eye shade on the eyebrow bone, which gives a enhanced look on the eyebrow area. So now it's time to apply your eyeliner. Take your time, do it very peacefully, because makeup is all about doing it with fun, not in haste. After doing my eyeliner, I'm using the Kiko gel eyeliner for my base eye makeup. Like you draw a kajal, I draw it with a brush, and yeah, voila, that's done. As you remember, I told you I was not satisfied with the color of my eyebrows, so I'm just making it a little more dark. Now what's left is my lipstick and mascara. Setting spray, I don't go for a fancy setting spray. Currently I'm using just a regular rose water, which is very good for your skin. It hydrates and keeps it moisturized. Now this is how I apply my lipstick. Girls, I think that when you do makeup, especially your lips area, you use the brush for it. It gives a different dimension to your lips. That's what I observed. Okay, so I never go ahead and apply it with my lipstick all at once. I use the brush and I go slowly. I just try to define the lip and make it look beautiful. Try this way, okay, and just let me know what difference you found in your makeup. I'm using the same lipstick to apply on my as a blush, because this is something which I'm doing it recently, and I found that it looks more natural where your lips and your cheeks goes matching. Make sure you're doing it only for the pinkish shade, not any other shade. Now it's time to apply mascara and bring all your eye makeup together. Alright, now once you're done, I'm using this brush and putting some blue color which I've taken on the upper area of my eyes and blending it on the lower eyeliner. Voila, now it's done, and please let me know how it came out. I've applied some sindoor paired with jhumka and a set South Indian chain, I believe. Yeah. And this is how the final look is. Guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends. And also, thank you so much for watching this video and bearing with me. I will be coming up with more videos. And that's the final look for Karwachaut. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, you want to recreate it, please go ahead and do that and tag me, hashtag me on your creation. You can find me on Instagram at Beauty Basics with Sani, same. So that's me, Sani, signing off from Beauty Basics with Sani. I hope to see you soon with something new. Take care and see ya.